Alright, hey guys. Okay, today I'm going to do a short video on my motovlogging setup. But before that, a small shout out to our local YouTuber Fletchdyna. So he has a lot of videos and he has a lot of cool challenges. So I have a link to his channel in the description. Do check it out. You might be interested in some of his videos. Okay, so now let's start with the video. So this is my full face showy helmet. This is what I normally use for all my videos. Okay, so I've placed my curve mount over here, as you can see, because it's the only place where I have the full contact. Because of the design of the helmet, I don't really have any other place to put. So because it's centered at the corner, I had to use like all these mounts to get my camera here. But because of that, it's quite heavy, so something I have to put up with. So my camera of choice is the Gopro Hero 8 with the medium mod. Okay, the reason I got the medium mod is because of the 3.5mm jack. As you can see, it allows me to connect my microphone here. So what this does is eliminates a lot of editing and it keeps my helmet looking a bit more cleaner. And the additional bonus is you have this shoe mount. You can add on like your own shotgun microphones or like your light mod. So the way I set it up is my wire goes in below, comes up to the right cheek pad, goes behind. Most of the wiring is at the back, then it comes out to my left cheek pad, and over here you can see this, my microphone is just right over here, off to the side. So the reason I have it off to the side is you don't want to be breathing into the microphone. If not, you can hear yourself breathing. So that's why I kept it off to the side. A lot of you might think that the camera might be blocking my view, but even though with the visor down, it's actually not too bad. I can still see my mirrors, I can still see where I'm going, so it's not that bad. So this is my setup. It's a bit heavy, but I'll probably change it when I get a new helmet. I've also added on my own a very simple chip intercom system. It's called Fretcon. I think it's only 45 bucks. It's a boom mic, so I accidentally bought the wrong one, but I still made do with it. So same thing, the two speakers at the side, and the boom mic, not sure that you can see it, it's over here, there. And yep, made do with it, so it's not too bad. The mic that I've ordered another microphone because the current one isn't that great, so probably replace it with the new one. When I have it, I'll make another video. Hopefully it's better. So yeah, that's all. If any other questions, you can let me know. If you ask me, this is the cleanest setup I've done so far. You don't have those extra GoPro adapters sticking out. I'll probably try to make it cleaner, maybe get rid of all this. Right, if you have any questions, just comment below, alright? Alright, see you guys.